Alright, củ小窝有跑 okay. So cô tôi muốn cho soybean thế cho chú rau ta mà chỉ đào được không nó. Okay, so we'll use each cup, 1 cup sugar. Oh my gosh, I just broke it. Okay, 1 cup. Okay, một đo. Nó giờ có thôi rau quá xí nè, sẽ bắt đầu nó nè. Okay, đo tạc mà đã thay đổi. Okay, so muốn cho sugar đo show cho nó là từ đo tạc, okay. And nuôi cho cái này the hot taste it's to my liking, so go more each cup, 1 cup sugar only. Yeah, it's sweet but nutritious sweet hang, so that's good. Okay, so no. Oh my goodness. Sorry, I'm working with 2 hands and holding the camera, holding my phone. Okay, so I'm more in down the no cho đồ lú lục câu này more cook nó nè. Okay. Right, split half the mixture and cook it in a deep, thick pot. Cook on medium-low heat for 30 minutes. Okay, so 30 minutes. Half of these. Alright, be back. Okay, so come on, half, don't know, half, still cho half not, okay, in down, and then cook it on medium low, I think it's that, for 30 minutes. Okay, we will be back, see how it turns out. Okay, it's been what, 10 minutes, and yes, this is a non-stick pot, but it's very sticky. Nếu phăng có cá hả nó? So I have to scrape all the way from the bottom. Có cá hả? Chắc bữa khi tôi scrape ý rồi mà. Alright. Continue to cook these, okay? Okay. Want to cook, huh? Okay. It's khó ta nó, it's nhưng mà lâu thôi kìa. It's very, very sticky. So push ball đây đi nó rong là chỉ tao rong à. Okay. All right, be back. Okay, more cho nó trời cũng nhọc more hầu cook được tay more cho đo nhá cho nhộng. I got my glove on. I'm gonna go mix it. Alright, we'll be back when I'm done mixing. Okay, so cũng muốn mix that is just not blow the kia. Okay, mình blow cái món or come on ball, come on shape. It's ready to shape. Okay, so I'm gonna go shape it and then we're gonna steam it. All right. Okay, so one of shape knot. Okay, and then but we will try. I'll try to do my best. Alright, I'm bring this in, I guess. And flip it around. Okay, so alu, okay. And then I will steam it, and I will let you guys know. Okay, so cũng muốn cậu ta quan chúa đồ hậu là muốn lưu mình sư. And then we're gonna go and muốn chú. Okay, chú ít số mông. Ready, no? 1 hour. All right. Okay, it's been steaming for 1 hour, and let's open it and see. Ooh, very hot. Cool. Working with one hand is very hard. Ooh, look at that. Looks good. Mmm. Mmm. It's good. Yum. All right. Geez, where's all my pot holder? Oh my gosh, it's so hot. Sorry. Hold on. I'm gonna pause this. Pause. Alright, so kumochi, okay. We'll see how it is. It tastes good. Alright, it tastes really good, so kumochi gonna die, gonna. Alright, that's it.